Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Danielle and I'm Miss Happy Housewife. So I am moving. I know, I'm really excited, but I wanted to share with you what I did to start the planning stages of the move, because my goal is I'm going to have everything packed and really just ready to go by the time my closing date comes. So that's what I'm gonna be taking you through today, is what I've done so far to prep. And that way, if you are moving, then you can go ahead and do that along with me. So here's what I have that might help you. I have a planner that has a calendar in it. It also has a day by day. That's gonna help us. But I also have a folio here. Now you can actually use just like any regular old folder, but I like something that I can zip up, something I can move with me, because we're going to be putting some very important documents in there. And so having it all in one place is going to be amazing for you. Inside of that folio, what I have is a notepad. Because what we're going to do in our planning stages is we're going to take that notepad, and on that very first sheet, hold on, let me get mine. So what I did is I know it might be hard to see, but what I did is I wrote down all of the different rooms that I have, and I actually numbered the pages and I put those pages here. So it kind of created like a little index. If you are familiar with bullet journaling, then I kind of took that concept. So once I had my list of all of my rooms that I had to have, then from there, I went around to each of the rooms. Let me show you. So this is my living room. And what I did is I started in the entryway and I went counterclockwise and I started segmenting each room by, like for the living room, I have the sound bar and cords for the TV. I have the couches, lamps, speakers, but I kind of went around the room, really taking a look and saying, okay, this section is this section is this. So I pretty much did that in one day. I didn't want to overwhelm myself, so I just did it in one day. The next day, what I did is then I went through there and I started to figure out, okay, what size box realistically am I going to need for this section, for that section, for this section? And once I was done, then I had kind of a rough estimate as to the boxes I'm going to need. That was really helpful because I could estimate how much money I needed to spend at Home Depot or Lowe's. The next day, what I did is I actually went to Home Depot and I got some prices on the boxes. I wasn't ready to go ahead and buy the boxes just yet, which I'm glad I kind of waited, but that's what I did. So that is the planning stages of the move. So once I had all of that mapped out, planned out, then I was ready to actually take a look and see what needed to be packed. I used my planner. This is my happy planner. And I started to go in and write down all the little things and what could I pack now, right now. So that's why half of my house right now is packed. So in case you didn't see the other video, we did have a house that we were going to close on, and about 2 weeks before closing, they decided there was a situation with the house itself, and so we ended up losing the house. So we do have another house we're closing on, and that new date is June 22nd. So I have half my house to pack in about a month. That's actually a really nice time frame. So here's what I've done. I have taken every small thing and, like I said, figured out what can I pack now, what has to wait until the last minute. Maybe it's the kitchen, maybe it's our bedding, who knows. So I took that and I have a list of that, and it's all here. I'm throwing things, I'm sorry. So it's all here on the individual days. In the next video, I think we're going to leave it here. In the next video, we're actually going to go through what you can get at like a Home Depot or something. This is the next stage of your packing. That way we can map it out on our calendars and we're not feeling overwhelmed, because moving can be overwhelming, but that's not what we're going to be doing. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.